Well, now, when you went over there, you could already speak Spanish pretty well.
Right, I've been studying since the 6th grade.
Yeah, so did you have any, how would you assess your language development at the time you arrived, and how much did you gain by the time you left?
I think that this is what I tell everyone when they say, oh, Lawrence, teach me Spanish. I try to teach you the basics. And like I said, when I went over there, I've been studying since 6th grade, and when I went over there, I was in my 2nd year of college. So, I had a pretty decent knowledge of the Spanish language, but no experience, I believe, is greater than the ability to go over and force yourself to live in an environment where you're surrounded by the language and immersed into their culture.
Yeah.
So, that was just you learn how to use different words and different texts and how they fit in different colloquial terms. You just learn how to use, or how to speak the language and converse in it versus just speaking the language and knowing I'm saying, oh, that means hello versus, saying something else.
Yeah. Well, now, where did you go to school, and what was your school experience like?
Outstanding.
Okay. Now, how would you contrast your college experience over there with your college experience at Howard?
I would say that at Howard, I'll say over there, I think there's a total, life over there is very relaxed in general. So I don't remember seeing too many people walking up and down the halls crying about, a class or a teacher. Again, they're very intelligent people, but I think that the way that they organize their education is very different. Versus, here in the States, it's either you know this or you don't, and you're stressing out and going crazy and walking up and down the street with a cup of coffee every 2 seconds. So I think that I've definitely, once I came back to the United States, I really had to refocus my mind in a different mindset, and just realized, I had a 6-month study abroad over there, but now I'm back in the United States, which is where I'm used to and going to receive my education or my degree from. So.